All right, guys, my favorite, spending time in nature with God. As you know, I talked about nature parks, going there, having a nice time. A lot of these nature parks are also historical sites as well. You won't believe the things you'll see there. But going to these nature parks, you feel so free. I mean, the air is very beautiful, so fresh. You smell different flowers, different plants. It's just amazing on the air qualities, how different it is when you're inside those forests. It can be really, really hot out that day, but inside some of the wooded areas where there's lots of trees, guys, you don't feel a lot of that. Actually, it feels pretty nice. You know, you see a lot of little animals running around, squirrels, chipmunks, and birds, and you're hearing different noises. And one thing you're going to hear constantly is birds, because they're all over the place, you know. But at the same time, you can talk and walk, you know, and talk to your Father. You feel real spiritual when you're in the woods for some reason. You feel like there's something listening to you, something watching you, and you're correct. It's God. You can connect with your Father. For some reason, it seems to me, this is me personally saying this, I feel that I can connect to God really strong when I'm in the forest. It's just a feeling that's hard to describe. You know, if you guys have never went on a nature walk, I would advise you guys to go, especially in the summertime, where, you know, you can go look it up, go on Google Maps, look it up, where's the closest nature park in your area, you know, and go for the first time. You know, most people that go for the first time, they realize that they actually like it and never thought they would have liked it. So guys, try it out. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to let you guys watch it. Stay blessed and always keep God with you.